Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we just finished up this 2024 Yukon Denali. This has got the 6.2 liter in it, but this also has the air ride suspension in it. And we had talked about coming out with a kit for this. We found that the best solution for the consumers out there is the link rod setup, and I'll share that with you on this one. You can see them up here in the front, right there, and then there's one in the back. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. You can't see it. The rod is actually up underneath, right, you can see it up underneath here. So this link rod setup works really well. It kind of fools the system to thinking it's at a certain height, and then allows you to get the car up a little bit to get the larger tires on it. This one, we put our Westcott Designs inner fender liner pullback kit in it because we put 35 12.5 by 18s on these Method 705s. These are Method 705 with a plus 18 offset. We did a set of Toyo RTs on this. These are not the RT Trails, these are the regular RTs. But you can see back here, we pull the liner back. We do a little bit of trimming down here where the mud flap was. We pull the liner back. This has the power amp steps, or the factory floorboards, so it clears those. But back in the corner back here is where it gets tight on the sidewall or the side edge of the tire here. So this will allow us to get the tire back in there and not rub. And then you can see the frame horn back there. And we lightly trim down the backside here, so the sidewall here on the tire does not rub on the backside of the tire at full steering lock. You do have to modify the front of it, and you can see down here, we cut the liner across here, and then we go back here and here, and we trim along here to get this to clear for the edge of the tire again at full steering lock. But that opens up the room. Still looks super clean. Nice straight line across the front there. These 705s, you're probably gonna ask me, what finish is that? So we sandblasted these in-house, and we repowder coated them in BK08, which is like a satin finish on these. So you can see there, the finish is really nice. They didn't want a matte and they didn't want a gloss, so that's what we finished them in. But this is a full 35 12.5 18 on this wheel. Walk around here, share with you a little bit of the offset in the back, because I've got the wheels turned a little bit in the front, so it doesn't really do good justice for it. You can see the offset there. Just a really clean look on this truck, and simple because it's so subtle that you're like, wow, a 35-inch tire on this truck makes it look so much more aggressive. Takes the soccer mom out of the whole thing. Easiest way to tell on these if they're 6.2 is the dual exhaust underneath the back here. So all the badging's been shaved off of this one as well. You can kind of see offset here. Hope you guys enjoy this. Wanted to share it with you. If you have any questions on these, the kit, where do you find it? How can you get it? It's not very hard to install. It's something you could do yourself if you wanted to install it. The fender liner pullback kit, those are on our website. And we do have pictures and not really a video. Well, I guess we got kind of a video to install it, but I would say it's not the best. So, but here's a good example of a beautiful truck, and not a Toyota this time. It's a GMC, but super clean looking. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching.